Hi everyone, this is Arad from English for Everyone, and today in this video I am going to talk about an idiom, an expression in English, and that is a pain in the neck. Okay, we call some people or some situations, even some things, a pain in the neck when that is like a pain in the neck. We are not talking about a real pain, okay? If you put a needle in your palm, let's say, then you feel the pain. We're not talking about those kind of pain. We're talking about annoyance. Okay, when you're annoyed with something. If you're annoyed with something or someone, then you call that person or that thing a pain in the neck. Imagine someone is grumpy, is always nagging and is just negative, just tells you that it's not possible and these kind of things, makes you just, you just get frustrated and you call the person a pain in the neck. Okay, so if you have an illness, you would not call that illness a pain in the neck, okay, because that is a real pain, okay, it's a physical pain maybe. But when we say a person is a pain in the neck, that is not a pain, a real pain, something that you feel in your body. That is something that makes you tired, if it makes sense. It makes you frustrated, it makes you annoyed. Okay, so you're annoyed with someone, you're annoyed with something, it's something that causes pain, but not a physical one. You know what? You know which one I mean? So let me give you the examples, it will be more clear. Let's look at this. Sometimes you have some assignments, forms to fill, or telephone calls to make. Sometimes you call some call centers and they say, okay, for this press 1, for that press 2, for this press, and you find yourself after an hour just pressing numbers, and that makes you angry, frustrated. That is a pain. Okay, that's not a pain like hammering yourself. No, that's a different thing. But you feel the pain and you call, this form, this list, this assignment a pain in the neck. Means something that makes you frustrated, angry, or tired. Okay, bored. This assignment is a pain in the neck. It's too long. Okay, it takes long and you get frustrated. Then you call that assignment or whatever it is a pain in the neck. Okay, Daniel asks a question every minute. Some kids ask questions every single minute and they make you crazy, they make you mad. You can call them a pain in the neck. Okay, so he's a real pain in the neck. That is the way I express my annoyance. I express that how angry I am, or things like this. Okay, and over here another example. It's a real pain in the neck when you try to sleep in the train and people keep shouting on their phone. So this is another situation when you really feel annoyed. You want to sleep and just you close your eyes and someone bang shouts and wakes you up. So that is another area which we get annoyed, angry. Okay, so when you have that kind of feeling, to express that, you can easily say, yeah, it made me angry, it made me frustrated, something like this. But this is very normal. If you want to show that, if you want to give it a bit of, let's say, taste, okay, to make it more tasty, you might use the idiom, and that does the action, that actually does this in a better way for you. We mainly use idioms when we feel that those express what we mean in a better way. They really tell how annoyed I am if I say this. If I just use the normal words, it might not do the job. So I prefer using this one. So if you get some, in some situations when you have such feelings, you can talk about them in this way. You might have this expression in your language as well. maybe similar, maybe the same thing, or maybe completely different. If you've got one, just comment it below this video. Let us know as well what pain in the neck is in your language. Okay, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.